Today we are gonna be rating old, mostly old. Some of these are new. I don't know why. EAS alerts, scary warning, and I will be rating these. And old ones are scary, and except for this one. Let's give the flashback real quick. Wait, let me comment and delete the comment later. Let's give the flashback really quick. No, not that video. Yeah, that's not scary. Let's get the flashback really quick. Yeah, that's not scary. That's scary. Literally, it was like. That's not this. That's the only one I'm not scared of. But let's try and make this quick. Load! History. Bro, no! Thank you. Russia's. We heard this one. That's the thumbnail for my video. Yeah. Let me watch us guess the real quick on my TV. I'm gonna watch Wubbzy so I don't get scared. Shut up! Heard this one. Everyone I heard I'm speeding up, and I'm not giving them a rating. Heard Poland. That's scary though. That's an old one though. We scored our first old one. Old one counter 1. That sounds like FNAF. But that might be an old one since the way it sounds. SCP-096 is breaking out and we're going into lockdown. Now type sound. Okay, you can shut up now. Nico's next box. Oh, Nico's next box. Wow, we got Nico's next box as an EAS alert before GTA 6. That's crazy. That's a 0. Speed it up! Yay! Sorry, Bennett, if this gives you nightmares. Shut up! Shut up! The trains I heard already. U.S. No, we are not rating U.S.'s. Turkeys, that's not that scary. Sorry, I'm skipping a lot of this one. I'm trying to make this short as possible. This video is short as possible. Groove time. Wait, let me do Germany. What did I just hear? you. One word. Sorry, this might offend some people that like the CAS word, but
follow my lead.
wait, what is it?
Want a snack without getting cheesy fingers? Yeah. They're called Cheetos for a reason.
That literally sounds like this, plus that's one response to you. Ooh. One response to you. That EAS alert sucks to 0. Back to the video. Sorry about that whole entire roast. I just got very mad at that. That was horrible. Finland. Okay, be quiet. I don't even want to rate this. You deserve a negative 100,055 million. And pi. 10. I have no words. I'm disappearing out of reality. Yeah, I don't know what the country name, but it is Malta. Disappears out of reality. Again, I'm quitting this video. I'm not quitting this video. Like, imagine the lights turning off and you see that one face from Delta. I can fall asleep with that all night on. That's peaceful. It sounds like the theme for nighttime and work at a pizza place. This probably plays when World War II ended. Game over. You didn't win. And Soviet Union has split apart into like 18 different countries. Oh no, not that one. No, we are not doing this. You are not doing this. I was too mad to rate the Egypt. No, we are not doing this. We are not doing Five Nights at Freddy's. Is there an ice cream truck on my house? I'm going outside now. No. I did not notice that. This is what Dariel should be learning in violin class. Yeah, I do. Chili's! That's Chili's! Isn't that just Chili's? Estonia. Creepy ice cream truck song. Solomon Islands were the creepiest ones you heard. So the nighttime theme and work at a pizza place, one of my favorite old Roblox games, is creepy. Oh my god! What the hell? What the heck is this? You did not have to jump scare me. Wait, let me reply to his comments. I heard this before. No, we are not doing this. How do you spell clair? I do not know how to spell it. Clair. You do not have to give me flashbacks to Chili's. You do not need to give me flashbacks. Okay, this video is going to be wrapped up after a short bonus clip.